What is Docker image? We are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share, and comment on my video. Let's get started. A Docker image is a file used to execute code in Docker container. Make sure Docker image is a file used to execute code in a Docker container. Docker images act as a set of instructions. It is a set of instructions. Like suppose I have a you can say the Node.js project, right? And there are steps of commands. Like first of all, you have to install the Node version. Okay, so I need to define the Node version, then install the Node modules. Like so, this is the set of instruction which we have to write in a Docker file, right? To build a Docker container, like template. Docker images also act as a starting point when we using Docker. An image is comparable to a snapshot in the virtual machine environments. Docker image is a read-only template containing a set of instructions for creating a container that can run on the Docker platform. It provides a convenient way to package up applications and pre-configured server environments. So here we are configuring the server environments also, which you can use for your own private use for the share publicly with other Docker users. Docker images are also the starting point of anyone using Docker for the first time. Docker images is made up of the collection of files that bundle together all the essentials such as installations, application code, and the dependencies required to configure fully operational container environment. A Docker image is a lightweight standalone executable package that includes all the necessary components needed to run a piece of software. It serves as a blueprint for creating a Docker containers. Docker images encapsulate an application's code, runtime system tools, libraries, and the other settings required for the applications to run consistently across the different environments. Means Docker images like Docker, we have to create a Docker file in whenever we create a project. Soon you will understand what exact in the code level. So in the Docker file, you have to mention that I'm going to install the Node.js, I want to install the Node modules, then copy this package.json, then npm start, right? So all of these instructions, that would be a Docker image. Okay. Key features of the Docker image include, so first one is layered structure. Docker images are composed of layers where each layer represents a specific set of changes or additions to the file system. This layered structure allows it for efficient image distribution, reuse, and versioning. Immutable Docker images are designed to be immutable, meaning that once the image is created, its contents do not change. Any updates or changes result in the creation of a new image with additional layers. This immutability contributes to the consistency and the reproducibility in the deployment process. Versioning Docker images can be versioned, allowing developers to track the changes over the time. So you can track the changes and you can version the Docker images. Versioning is a particular useful for managing application updates, roll back to the previous versions, and ensuring consistency in the different stages of the development and the deployment. Docker file, very, very important. The creation of the Docker image is typically defined by the text file. So it's a text file, okay, called a Docker file. A Docker file contains a series of instructions. So what it contains? A series of instructions that specify the base image. The steps to install the dependency, copying application code, configuring the runtime environment, executing the Docker file produces a Docker image. Whenever you execute a Docker file, produces a Docker, it always produces a Docker image. So this is what I'm saying. Then we have a registry, right? Registry Docker images can be stored and shared through a Docker registry, such as Docker Hub. A registry is a centralized repository where developers can publish, share, and pull Docker images. So there is a Docker Hub. Okay, we will learn how to create the account, how to set up the desktop version. Okay, Docker Hub, for example, is a public registry that hosts a vast collection of pre-built Docker images. So they have a pre-built Docker images like Linux, Ubuntu, Node.js, WordPress, React, anything. Okay, React is right. So efficient distribution. Docker images are designed for the efficient distribution for and sharing. When a Docker image is pulled, only the layers that are not ready present on the local system are downloaded. This reduces the amount of data transferred and accelerates the process of deploying applications in the different environments. Reusability. Docker images promote reusability as the developers can leverage existing images as base of for their application. This practice simplifies the packaging and distribution of the applications by building upon well-established images for the common runtime environments and the services. So overall, Docker images play a central role in the containerization process, enabling the creation, distribution, and execution of the consistent and the portable software environments. They form the foundation of the Docker containers, allowing applications to run seamless across the various environments with the minimal configuration. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.